Fire up the burners, because this kitchen quiz gets intense fast. What is the name of the host and head chef of Hell's Kitchen? The correct answer is Gordon Ramsay. In Hell's Kitchen, contestants are typically divided into a red team and a blue team. It is true. Which station is usually associated with cooking beef Wellington in Hell's Kitchen, meat station or dessert station? The correct answer is meat station. Which is hotter in Hell's Kitchen, the kitchen line or the dining room? The correct answer is the kitchen line. Would you rather cook on the appetizer station or the garnish station? There is no correct answer. Comment which one you would choose. Which Hell's Kitchen role fits your vibe best? Add up the points for the option you picked and comment your total. Which dish is shown in this Hell's Kitchen staple image? The correct answer is beef Wellington. Which one does not belong with common Hell's Kitchen service stations? The correct answer is ticket booth. What is the term for the dinner rush where contestants must serve guests in Hell's Kitchen? The correct answer is dinner service. Who or what am I? The correct answer is the pass. Service is over, and the kitchen can finally cool down.